right, gang, this is for all the Ford Bronco Brother fans out there. You guys know, that's right, 3 years in a row, I've had my 1975 Ford Bronco at the SEMA show. And let me tell you, that vehicle is awesome. We've had it here. It's been up for Best of Show, but you've all been waiting for this vehicle right here. It's the all-new 2019 Baja Competitor. It's the Ford Performance. This is the racing prototype. All right, now I'm going to give you the details really fast under the hood. So here's what you got.